Hey everyone, welcome back to Mr. Sir Learning, the place where learning English feels easy and fun.
Hello guys, I hope you are having an amazing day. I'm Sophia.
Today we are talking about something every English learner wants.
Yes, the big dream. How to become fluent in English fast.
Honestly, I think almost every learner searches this on YouTube at least once a week.
That's true. And most people think there is some magic trick. Sadly, that does not work.
But seriously, people want fluency fast, and today we are going to talk about what actually works.
Yes, real advice. Simple advice. Not boring school grammar rules.
So Sophia, what is the first thing someone should do if they want to speak English fluently?
The first thing is very simple. Start speaking immediately.
Even if your English is bad.
Especially if your English is bad.
That sounds scary.
I know, but many people wait too long. They think, I will speak when my grammar is perfect.
And that day never comes.
Exactly. Nobody feels fully ready.
Honestly, that happens in many things in life.
Yes. You improve by doing, not by waiting.
That's a really good point.
Even if you know only a few words, use them.
Like what?
Simple things. Hello? How are you? I like coffee. I am tired today.
So basically, talk like a baby first?
Yes. That is exactly how children learn.
You know what? People are so afraid of sounding silly.
That's true. But mistakes are normal.
I totally agree. When someone tries speaking my language, I respect them.
Same here. Most people will support you, not judge you.
So guys, if you are scared of mistakes, comment below. I will speak anyway.
Yes, be brave. Confidence comes from action.
Okay, Sophia, here is another problem. Many people say, I don't have anyone to practice with.
Honestly, in 2026, that excuse is getting weaker.
Because of the internet?
Exactly. There are apps, Discord servers, Telegram groups, online games, language exchange websites.
I think gaming is a great example.
Oh yes? If you play games in English, you learn naturally.
Because you need to communicate to win.
Exactly. Your brain forgets you are studying.
That is smart learning.
And it feels fun, not stressful.
Guys, tell us in the comments, what games do you play in English?
Or what hobbies do you have? Cooking, music, fitness?
Because hobbies are actually powerful for language learning.
Yes, learn English through things you already love.
Like watching football videos in English.
Or makeup tutorials.
Or funny cat videos.
Those are important too.
Very important research.
Another amazing trick is talking to yourself.
Honestly, that sounds a little crazy.
Hahaha, maybe, but it works.
How do you do it?
Simple. Describe your day in English. I am making tea. I need my phone. The weather is hot today.
Oh, so your brain starts thinking in English. That is actually powerful.
Exactly. And nobody is there to judge you.
Unless your family hears you talking to yourself.
Then just say, you are practicing for YouTube.
Perfect excuse.
Another big mistake learners make is translating every word.
Oh yes, I used to do that all the time.
It slows your brain down.
So how do we stop?
Start using English subtitles instead of subtitles in your own language.
That's a good middle step.
Yes, your ears and eyes learn together.
And after some time, you understand naturally.
Exactly. Fluency is about understanding ideas, not translating every single word.
Honestly, I think people panic too much when they miss one word.
That's true. You do not need to understand 100%.
Just understand the main idea.
Exactly.
Guys, if you stop videos every 5 seconds for one word, relax.
Your brain needs time to adapt.
Let's talk about grammar.
Ah, yes. The scary word? Ha ha ha.
Do people need perfect grammar to speak fluently?
No, communication is more important.
That is such an important point.
Learn phrases instead of memorizing rules.
Can you give an example?
Sure. Instead of studying complicated grammar names, learn natural sentences like, I have been busy. I need some water. I'm thinking about it.
So the brain learns patterns naturally.
Exactly.
Honestly, that feels much easier.
Because it is real English.
You know what helped me most?
What?
Listening every single day.
Yes. Consistency beats intensity.
Wow, that sounds motivational.
Haha, but it's true.
Some people study for 5 hours one day, then disappear for 2 weeks.
Exactly. Daily practice is better.
Even 20 minutes matters.
Yes, small steps every day create big results.
That applies to the gym too, and healthy eating, and sleeping early.
Okay, Alex, now you sound like a life coach.
Maybe I am.
Guys, here's a challenge for you.
Ooh, I like challenges.
Try using English for 30 minutes every day this week.
Music, videos, texting, podcasts, anything.
And come back here next week and tell us how you feel.
I promise you will notice improvement.
Definitely.
Another important thing is confidence.
Yes, many learners know English, but they are afraid to speak.
Fear blocks fluency.
Exactly. You must train your confidence too.
So guys, stop waiting to become perfect.
Perfect English does not exist.
Even native speakers make mistakes, especially me.
Ha ha. Yes, definitely you.
Wow, that hurt.
Ha ha. I'm joking.
Before we finish, let's give one final piece of advice.
Okay, mine is simple. Make English part of your life.
Not just a school subject.
Exactly. Listen to English music, watch English videos, think in English.
Speak even when you feel nervous.
Because confidence grows with practice.
And remember, fluency is a journey.
Not a race.
We believe in you guys.
Yes, seriously, keep going. Don't quit.
And if you enjoyed this conversation, please like the video.
Subscribe to Mr. Sir Learning for more English podcast conversations.
And comment the word fluent below if you watched until the end.
We love reading your comments.
Thank you so much for listening. Keep practicing.
Take care, everyone, and we will see you in the next video.